Hey guys, let's see how to add multiple Tapo cameras in the Tapo app, or you can also add to your MacBook. It's super simple. You see that I have my Tapo camera working here, and I have more than one. If you come back here to the Tapo app, the main screen, you see that I have the Tapo C210, the Tapo C260, 310, C400, and C211. A lot of cameras, so I can just get one camera here, and here see the symbol to add multiple cameras in the screen. So I just tap here and you see that I have the first camera, then I can add more cameras. You see here that I can just choose which camera I want to show back there. Let's say the Tapo C260, C310, and C400. Just add them here and I'm good to go. The cameras are working here, and I can even use in a different way. The way is you see all of the camera at the same time, okay? And you can do the same here on your computer. You just come here to the App Store. You download the Tapo app from here as well, and just open it up, log in with your account, and then you just pick one camera, like I did here on the cell phone. Come here to the top and select which one you want to see, okay? You have here single view, you have 4 views, and then you can keep adding camera here, just like you did on your cell phone, and you have all of the camera working at the same time, okay? Super simple. You can have multiple Tapo cameras working on your Mac or on your cell phone, okay? So if you don't know how to add a camera, it's also pretty simple. Here, I can come to a single camera and I can remove from here. Let me just remove this 310, and then you see how to set up a new camera, okay? So I just click here and I remove the camera. So basically I'm resetting the camera when I do this. I can come directly to the camera and reset from there. Let me just grab the camera here. So you see, I'm talking about this one here, the Tapo C310, okay? Or any Tapo camera, you can just go directly there and reset using the reset button, and you can start over with the camera. The camera is going to start flashing here the LED red and green, which means the camera is ready for the setup. And you just come here to your app and you add a new camera. So I come here to add a new device, and here I'm gonna look for this camera. Is an outdoor camera. So I come here, outdoor camera, and I look for the Tapo C310. Just go down. There we go. It's here. Wireless. Next. And here the camera should be blinking here with the LED, right? The camera is back there, but supposed to be flashing there red and green. So I just confirm here, and I just look for the camera's signal. I need to have my phone close enough to the camera so my phone can pick up the camera signal. You're gonna see here, Tapo Cam something. Just keep looking for it. Sometimes it takes a while, just need to refresh until you see Tapo Cam something. There we go, here's the camera. I just tap on it, wait for it to connect. If it doesn't connect, you just need to try again. Okay, then I come here to the app and you see this animation. So the camera is going to connect to the cell phone, and then after this the cell phone is going to tell the camera which Wi-Fi to connect to. Okay, it's the second stage here. So basically I'm saying that I want the camera to connect to this Wi-Fi, and this is the password to connect to my Wi-Fi. I hit next here, confirm, wait for the camera to connect. There we go. Now I can just name my camera. I'll leave it like this, Tapo 310. And I just click here, office, the location, select an icon, next again. And it's done. Sounds good. Here, just skip this trial. Got it. Here's the SD card information. I have an SD card already there. Firmware update, I just confirm here. And the camera is good to go back here, okay? So after this, again, you just come here and you add any camera that you want to see everything at the same time, okay? So now you have your multiple cameras working on this Tapo app, and you can do the same on the computer as well. I hope that helps. So please subscribe to this channel. leave your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.